Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohit. I'm the founder and CEO of Acceldata. With me today is Sameer Narkhede, the co-founder and CEO of dataSnight. I'm very pleased to announce that Sameer and dataSnight have decided to join forces with Acceldata and build the observability solution for the modern data cloud platforms along with Acceldata and join its mission in building and bringing the best of data observability to all platforms. So, Sameer, welcome.
Thanks, Rohit. I'm really excited to be a part of this journey with Acceldata. Glad to be here.
Acceldata is a multidimensional observability platform. It actually monitors the state of your infrastructure. It monitors the state of your compute systems. It monitors the state of your data quality and how it is performing over a period of time, whether you're getting data quality issues or you're finding, reconciliation issues as data moves from one system to the other and potentially ending up into cloud data warehouses. And finally, we also monitor the data pipelines. And in doing so, we are actually building a lot of affinity towards the data engineering community, which is responsible for bringing all this data and taking that data from the point of origin all the way to the point of consumption. Now, when I started talking with Sameer, it was like a straightforward conversation. There were three of us from Acceldata, Raghu, Ashwin, and I, and we were actually looking at the demo that Sameer was showing us, and it just felt that this is exactly what we needed to build observability for modern data systems such as Snowflake. So Sameer, describe to us how has your thought process changed after coming over to Acceldata. I think you're just completing a month today. How has the month gone by, and what's the plan for the next quarter or a couple of quarters? What do you want to bring to the Snowflake community?
Let me first talk about my experience with Acceldata, right? And why I feel so confident that I'll be successful in delivering the dataSnight vision that we had as a part of the Acceldata team, right? And so, like you mentioned, multidimensional observability, right? It's not about solving only the data layer issues for the customer, right? Like only handling the data quality. There are infrastructure issues also that come up with cloud data platforms. There are pipeline layer issues also that come up with all these data platforms. And so truly the multidimensional data observability that Acceldata has built their products around, I think it is essential, right? All these layers are correlated, and you can't say that, oh, your data quality is bad and go figure out why it is bad, right? You actually have to delve into your infrastructure layer, try to figure out what's happening there, why it's bad, and guide as much as possible, narrow it down to the customers so that they can go ahead and take care of this issue as soon as possible. That is one thing, but also proactively do it, right? When you are at infrastructure, the machine learning algorithms that you are applying at the data layer, they can also be applied. Similar algorithms can be applied at the infrastructure layer, and one can be very proactive and just avoid from these issues from happening, right? So that is one big thing that I observe in Acceldata products, right? It is multidimensional observability that they provide. The second thing, right, and that was my experience when I talk to customers outside Bay Area, right? And so when I started, I onboarded some of the Snowflake users onto the platform and started providing them some goodness. But as I talk to more and more customers who are outside Bay Area, who are outside the tech hubs, right, the big banks and telcos, what feedback I got was majority of their data is still on Hadoop, HBase, or on premises, right? And so the integrations matter, right? What integrations you have. And so while all these companies have set a foot into the cloud data platform, they are evaluating it. I am strongly confident they will be happy with the results, and slowly they will start migrating all this data into the cloud, right? And so integrations which are taking care of their data on premise, integrations which will help them migrate, and integrations which will also support them when they are in the cloud, right? That's the complete solution, right? I think being a customer obsessed company, that's the right way to do of things. Majority of the customers right now are on premise, and Acceldata has the integrations which cater to those needs, right? And as we go, as the customers are asking to us to take care of their cloud needs, we are building integrations to cater their needs there also. And so hybrid data observability is very important, and that's the product that Acceldata has. And lastly, what made me make my decision is the talented team, right? It's for any individual or a team or a company to be successful, there has to be a strong foundation, right? I think a well-funded environment, fast-paced engineering team, and it's not like a handful of engineers trying to deliver features and target some particular segment of customers, right? I think what Acceldata's R&D team is today 60 plus engineers, and doubling down, I guess, right? So that's the kind of strength we need. That's to get the churn, right? To build more and more integrations. The data space is continuously evolving. The demands of customers are continuously changing, and to accommodate that churn, we need that kind of strength, and that's the strength that Acceldata has. The flexible and scalable architecture that is present, it also helps a lot, right? And so once I came to know about this, all these Acceldata features, and I met some of the folks in the team, I mean, we had no hesitations in building our dataSnight vision as a part of Acceldata, right? And here we are.